So this is a manifold for the Nikki carburettor. There's two stud mountings there where it mounts directly onto the Volkswagen manifold, but the threads are pulled on it. I'll get you a quick photograph so you can have a look. All we're going to do is helicoil them, hopefully. So we'll get it clamped down to the bed. We'll see how we get on.
5 minutes later.
So first thing I need to do is find the hole centre. I've got a 6.5mm drill bit in there just to help me try and find it. You know what, we ain't far off there I don't think. That'll do. We'll lock the table off. This is one of those cheap and nasty Chinese Amazon special kits because I didn't have the right size in the helicoil. Squirt, squirt. There isn't a lot of meat on the back of this one. We're going to have to be careful what speed we're going to go for. About there, I reckon. Teeny tiny tap handle in. Tap full lined up. Squirt, squirt again. And that's bottomed out there. Right, happy days. Rinse and repeat for the next hole. I couldn't guess that much better, could I? Lock that off there. And here we go again. We'll do a quick clean down and we'll get the inserts in. Right, just a bit of brake cleaning the holes. Knock the camera. Good, 601. I don't want to go in this one. Why do you not want to go in? There we go, let's go in. in there. A bit more. One done. Get this one to go in a bit better. There we go. Got it. So there we are then, one manifold thread repair completed. I ain't going to pull out for a while. Thanks for watching.